record has a primary key, and as we've seen, one benefit of having a primary key is to be able to distinguish between different records. For example, if we have a database of customers and more than one customer has the same name, we may create a field called User ID to store a unique number associated with each customer. So far we've looked at a database with only one table. It's a table of customers from an online shopping website. Let's add another entity to our diagram so that we can store information about the products. We'll add a primary key field here too. Let's call it Product ID. When a customer buys something on the website, we need to store the details of their order so that it can be processed and sent out to them. This means we need another entity. Let's call it Order. Have a think and note down the attributes you think we will need to store about every order. To be able to send out the product the customer has purchased, we need to know firstly the customer's details, address, name, etc., so that we can send it to the right person, and secondly the product details so that we can select the right product to send. So perhaps our order table should look like this. Well, let's look at a real order using this design. Supposing our customer orders a t-shirt from our online shop. Let's input the details of this order. So far so good. What if they also ordered a pair of jeans? Let's fill that in too. Notice that we have to fill in a lot of the same data over and over again. Not good, especially if they have ordered lots of products. This is where the primary key comes in. Let's have another look at the design for our order entity. We know that the user entity has a primary key called User ID, which allows us to uniquely identify each customer. We can replace all of the attributes for the customer's details in the order entity with just the primary key field, like this. We still know who ordered this product, and we can find out all of the other details just by looking up this user ID in the user table. We can do exactly the same thing with the product details. They can all be replaced with the primary key Product ID. Typing the same details in over and over again in the same database is called data redundancy. This technique allows us to avoid redundancy by only storing the details in one place. This is great because if we need to update the details about a product, perhaps there's a sale and the price goes down, we only have to update it in one place rather than searching for every single time it appears in the database.